Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Yes, set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. We want to welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like content, subscribe and make a good platform. You see it? Yeah. We see a thing going on the media the other day where Queen Ifrica come out and say, this brother, Derek Morgan, abused her when she did young and things like that. See, now this is not if a true or a lie. We just observe the sensitivity and the insensitivity regarding an argument, a situation like this. You see, before we're going further, first thing I want to say, Derek Morgan have a son that was saying my doctor. Do something in the media where if Queen Ifrica feel bad mind, I'm sure she can make him get in some trouble or get him struck off for that where I do, because he want me, you see, every professional, every academic and thing like that knows so well then you don't blame victims. See? Now, ridicule victims. See it? Are people who purport to be victims, even if it's not so. The fact is, if what she was saying isn't true, she's still no doubt a sufferer of some ailment then, because nobody in them normal mind now go just jump out and say something like that if it's not true. See it? Now the brother, even if what he say was true when he try credit her with mental issues and things like that, even if it was true, how him do it was wrong as a doctor. See it? You're not supposed to go up on social media and talk out a thing like that. See it? And it's a woman, if that was the case, it would have been her private business, even if it's true. See it? Patient doctor privilege. Doctor not supposed that like data protection by all means. You're not supposed to see the woman of a professional status out there for maintain and thing like that. It can affect her or could affect our thing if this guy was effective in any way with the claim we make. See, I'm show you how silly and how stupid, how small-minded this guy is. This guy go as far as do something where him know say, cause you victimize a victim, you further propel for them cause out there in the limelight. You understand what I say? And it obviously look like you create more compassion for Queen Ifrica than what you originally intended for diminish her ability, her perception. You see it? That you try to do. I better if you chill out and allow the argument and make it grow or die out or whichever way. You see? Now, you see this thing, it's indicative of our Jamaican society where we grew up in. You see? Now, this is not personal experience. Let me declare that from early. But it's enough youth in Jamaica. I said Jamaica act like so well and them in a denial when it comes on to homosexuality and homosexual tendencies in a Jamaica upon the island and things like that, you know. Even though it's just a verbal denial, you know, see, when from observation and from things like that. I mean, again, the attempted denial don't really work because you can't sing or talk about something where you don't see, where you don't know, say, where it exists. You know, see, especially a thing like that. You're not going to really just jump up and create that out of thin air. You have to know so it exists in order for it. So singing and denial and whatever it just punch line. You know, see, now the damaging thing about that now is that, you see, how do you say animosity? You know, see, but the argument where them create regarding homosexuality in a Jamaica and the whole thing, the depths where it go and thing like that. You know, see, which we know are things will happen right through time. See, when the youth them get molested because they're not just straight people are pedophile, you know, and them sort of stuff. They have that in the homosexual community too. That's open knowledge. You know, see, and if homosexual there in Jamaica, you must go and have some pedophile homosexuals as well. You know, see, and when them youths get molested, when them look upon the atmosphere out there, when them hear about them sort of thing, all of these things are go unreported because these youth know so them all get stereotyped as being gay as well, not as a victim of abuse, you know. Them all just stereotype. Jamaica all just stereotype and say, oh, him a wanna, you know what I say? Regardless of the fact, Rasta, regardless of how clear and concise the evidence is, these people are still, I people still, are going to further abuse the abused by declaring him being just like the person who abused him. Can you imagine the mental disorder that can create? In this case with Queen Ifrica and this Gaia, it's the same thing, Rasta. You know, see, it's the same thing. Because when you look upon it so well, then somebody was supposed to at least show you a bit of full standing. It's gonna be the one where dig a grave for put you in because of your declaration. It's, you know, it's hurtful. It's beyond acceptable, Rasta. I know every normal human being can accept that and know so boy I saw it go. No. You know, see, Queen Ifrica hold it like so she did expect it. Expect such a reaction from them people, yeah. You know, like so well then she just see them as some money grabbing, self-preserver type of people where only protect them inheritance and things like that, so them will do anything, and she did expect all of this. Yes, this is how it seems, because unless you are that way aware, you know, it's next to impossible for you accept them sort of statement and them action attitude towards your pain, Rasta. You see, and that's how we see that little guy there, we claim say my brother. You know, it come like so when them man, them dreadlocks man have them children and dreadlocks them. It's like them children here rebel against the whole thing to a point where them just come turn the anti-Rasta man with dreadlocks on them head and nobody not to know, because most people just go off a perception these days. You know, see whatever them see in front of them. You know, again, I saw subliminality work. You know, see, you see quicker than you hear. You know, see, so again, when people just see that, people just automatically assume, oh, Rasta radical, that, leave him. You know, see, anything when you say, I come from Rasta, is representative of how the community thinks. You know, see. So them guy, just like when name the son, Big Youth son, the other day, I can't remember his name. Me have a brethren that say I buy fame degree, because at the end of the day, all of the ethics, all of the principles of the profession where him claims him is a part of Rasta. These men just step on them and crush them whenever him a go through. You know, see it? Oh, you expect, I mean, come on. You bring the profession into disrepute and you know that yourself. You might not even know that. You might not even, again, because of this suspected by degree type of argument where we have to observe these days here. These guys here, would they even know the first principle to begin with? You know, see it? So then just trample upon everything and go through like so. Well then, you know, the earth depend upon them. If them not fat, we can't breathe. You know, see it? I saw them guy operate Rasta. You know, see it? No, this is not well if you say, well then, Derek Morgan and Queen Ifrica argument is true, yes or no, you know, even though it more a point to the side there for I and I, because she put up a clip the other day where the guy said she's him friend. Queen had, you know, he might outline him children, them and thing like that. When it come to Queen Ifrica, him say she's him friend. You know, see, and it's like, you look like them a friend from them a children. You know, because them say more time you have somebody a friend or in a relationship too long, you start resemble them. You know, see, so you look like them a friend from tree long. That's Queen Ifrica start resemble him now. You know, see. Now a whole heap of the argument them and defense were put forward. Make this thing a look conflicting. See? But again, it's because we are only being introduced to the allegatory side of the whole affair. You know, see? If you look on the evidential part of the whole thing, if you have access to all of that, you know, probably it wouldn't seem such a you know, far-fetched or well, I can't say confused because there's nothing confusing about it. You know, see, probably it wouldn't seem so, you know, far out. You know, see, but the defense where the guy put forward in reasoning why this thing not going to happen or couldn't happen, it's like, so well then, him did there as well. I watch this thing happen. If it did happen, or him did there and could have prevent this thing from happening where him not say. You know, see, or if him did there and see said that never happened, which he never said still. You know, see. So all of them things we have to observe, Rasta, and look upon the state of affair and the you know, the natural movements of things. How things deteriorate and reach to the point where it is, whereby we don't have compassion upon one another ourselves. So who's gonna have compassion upon us with our cars and our claims and things like all of them things there. You know, see, it's not easy for a woman come on and say, boy, a man hold her down and do that to her. It's not easy. It's not easy, all when I lie them I tell. It's not easy. You know, see, and the woman them would lie about that, a woman where, you know, now have nothing to lose, and them way there. Mind you, in this day and age, when it comes to entertainers and things like that, which is something we me identify a long time and point out, when it comes to entertainers and people like that who depend on attention, even when, you know, yeah, it becomes the thing these days where publicity is just publicity. Good publicity, bad publicity, it still is publicity. It still publicizes the character or the figure who is being mentioned. You know, see, some people will do, it's particularly the people them where in a stardom. Usually I will see it happen these days too. Well, obviously, in front of we. We do want to say anything to stay relevant. And then little way there. You see it when I say this is the case with Queen Ifrica. I'm just saying this case in the world today, how things are. So it end up now start diminish any level of concern or righteous intervention or support for people will come out and make certain claims, because at the end of the days, like these days, they have to sit back and watch it truly to the full extent play out before you can really form an opinion, which is something I did wish our brother did do. Claim say I'm a doctor and thing like that, and when people are try just say keep quiet and thing like that, he might tell people in the comment section, say them are no doctor, him a doctor. You're not a doctor, dog. So I feel like for call you dog. Cause dog, you want it's like you take side against a woman who make an allegation against a man openly. It's not like you sit back and say, yo, I could see all this thing, it's not me them talk about, regardless of who or what. You know, see it? Let me see how I could work this thing out. You know, see it? The rational way. Rather than speedily jump and take side and start discredit while you have a motive. You have interest. So your argument now and claims becomes a conflict of interest, because you are no doubt an inheritor of the Derrick Morgan estate. You are no doubt. And discrediting that estate is gonna affect your potential. It's gonna affect your pocket. You don't see it, and you can't afford that. It will affect your inheritance in the future. You can't afford that. So big conflict of interest. This one, better if you keep your mouth quiet. At the end of the day, is a woman that come out and make a certain claims against a man who never show no much of a paternal connection towards her. It's open and obvious in the video where she show Queen Ifrica is my friend, you know. you know, just look ominous. You know, see it. Yeah, so that's how I take on the whole issue. Or just as I go and have strength to all the female who suffer certain abuse. All the people who get abused, and due to insensitive society and things like that, you still got people who make you scared for open your mouth about your abuse, complain about your abuse more than, or you're scared of the abuser, Rasta. You see it? The abuser can just tell us be a pathetic or buggard. You see it? Where all you can, overcome him physically if you did aware of the whole plan. You see it? But you're afraid to even address the abuse, because at the end of the day, you're going to have to do it and make it seem like a something else when you grow and get bigger, because at the end of the day, the same people, them, are going to make it worse for you than where this guy are doing. You know? Them things they're hurtful, Rasta. Hurtful, really, really. You know? Anyway, we give thanks. You see, majestic support and love for all of the Queen and the Empress, them who out there struggle with certain ghosts in them closet. Big respect to Queen Ifrica. You see it? Yes, I will give thanks, Rastafari.